We are going to harvest our radish today. Radish is something that can be harvested in 4 to 6 weeks. We planted them end of March and it's only little over 6 weeks. So it's ready to be harvested. These are the seeds of radish. If every seed sprouts, we can thin them once the seeds germinate. These are turnips. These are not ready to be harvested yet. You can see the turnip here. You see the tubers here. But the turnips leaves are also edible. So we are going to make a stir fry with the turnip leaf and radish leaf. So we will be harvesting some of these turnip leaves now. Radishes are a fast-growing cool season crop. They grow best in temperatures around 50 to 70 degree Fahrenheit, which is why they are commonly planted in early spring or fall. Look at the color after I wash them. Radishes are low-calorie root vegetable rich in vitamin C, potassium and antioxidants. They are rich in fiber too. Good for digestive health and cardiovascular health. The leaves are also highly nutritious. We are going to make a stir fry with it. So we'll combine the turnip leaves and the radish leaves together. Now we can get the radish leaves.